Good day, good day. Today we are going to change the battery on your Lexus GX460 key fob. I have three of them, and it's been about 2 years since I've replaced them, and I'm going to go ahead and replace them anyways. I haven't bought the batteries yet. I need to look inside and see what the battery part number is. And for you to be able to change your battery, it's very simple. You don't need any tools whatsoever. You see this little switch right here. You flip it down to release your spare key. Once you release your spare key, you're going to see a huge slot right there. You're going to use the tip of your spare key as a pry tool. Okay, you are going to put this inside that slot right there. Put it inside that slot, and you are going to pry sideways, just like that. Just flip it clockwise or counterclockwise, and it automatically opens. Okay, once it opens, you're gonna see this microchip board. You're gonna flip the microchip board onto its front side, and you're gonna look at the battery right there. The battery says CH, can you guys see it? CR1632. Okay, and for you to remove the battery, just remember this flat spot right here goes towards you and away from the buttons. So it's the flat part, the full flat part is facing the rear. Okay, so I'm going to use my tool again, and there's a huge slot on the top right there. There's a huge slot on the top. You're going to take your little pry tool again and flip this battery out. Okay, and when I say flat spot, the back is a flat spot and the front has ridges. See, the front has ridges right there. The ridges go towards the buttons, and the flat spot goes towards the rear. So I'm going to go ahead and go change this out. Now I know the part number, CR1632. I can go to the battery store, Walmart, or wherever and buy a new battery. And when I put it back in, all I have to do is just pop it in with two thumbs, make a good connection, put this back in, and it just pops in with clips. No special tools involved. And when you're done with that, you take your spare key and you slide it back in just like that. Whoop! Okay, same thing with this one. I'm just going to go ahead and make sure right there. Let's do it one more time. Bam! Simple. Flip it over where the back is facing you and take a look at this. Wow, look at this. The previous owner already marked the battery with 518, just so they would know and let me know when this battery was replaced last. So maybe that's a good idea too. So let's take a look if marking this battery is going to impede its power or connectivity. So right on the back here, there's no metal connection or interfaces, so it has nothing to do with connecting the back of this battery. So you could write on it all you want. So that's a great idea. Go ahead and get a Sharpie or some permanent marker and write the date that you replaced this battery. So this is, wow, 2 years already. So it's a good time to replace. Okay, here you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video also. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace. Peace.